What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video we're going to do the unboxing and review of this neck brace. As you can see right here, I'm just going to show you guys what's inside, how it basically works and so forth. So I'm just going to unbox it right now. Let you guys see what's inside. We have the user manual, as you can see, which basically come inside right here, which give you some idea. So now we have the product right here itself. As you can see, I'm just going to unbox it. So we have different, so it looking something like this. As you can see guys, that's how it basically looks. And now we have one more something that's inside as well. So we have another strap here. So basically guys, we can use this for a lot of neck injuries. If you're feeling pain in your neck, right? So this is one of great choice that you can use. So quick disclaimer, I'm not a physician, but I'm just gonna tell you guys that this is one of the great products you can use to relieve all those neck pain. I'm gonna try it on right now. So basically, how this used, you can basically place it around your neck like this, and you can basically clip the back. Make sure that you don't have it too tight. So it basically give your neck a great support. As you can see, not much leaning to the side and so forth. Feel really comfortable and neat